Yes, we are out and testing the fan heater. It's very cold tonight. It's -5 degrees centigrades, and we have been to the local Volvo dealer, which are also supplying Renault cars, but no Twizys. We couldn't see any Twizy. Anyway, so we found a outlet for charging and adding heat in the very cold night, And as you can see, we have the charger, but we also have a double connection, which allow us to supply both the car and the heater. And well, you can see the heater. It's the black cable coming out close to the water supply for the windshield, but it works very nice, I can hear the sound from the heater. The heater is actually placed below the steering wheel, and it's very tiny and very thin, but it's full capacity, It's using the power from the outlet, but you can also see the cycle battery, which is supplying power for a small 12-volt heater, which we are testing as well, and we use during driving the car.